Ranjit Kaur and I'm yoga instructor. And she is Priyanshi Chauhan and she is yoga instructor too. We both are yogaholics and contrarists. Today we are here to share our experience about the warm-up exercise and all the tricks whatever we know. So main topics are forward bend, back bend, core strength, balancing and twisting. Okay, so let's begin with the forward bend. So first, sit in a Dandasana, make a grip of your hands and stretch your feet inner side and start moving your hands in circular direction. Repeat this for the 30 to 40 times and try your best in every attempt. Okay, so next is stand straight, open your legs more than your shoulder level gap and make your hands again gripped and push yourself down as much as you can and repeat same 20 times. Okay, so third one is sit straight and fold your one leg near to another thigh, grip your hands and stretch yourself forward as much as you can. Same from the another side and hold this pose for the 10 seconds each. For next, you can ask for the help or you can do by yourself too. Sit straight in a Dandasana and stretch your leg upward direction and hold every stretch for the 6 to 7 seconds. After that, sit straight in a Dandasana, open your legs apart, go downward and make a grip of your hands under the knees. Now stretch your knees and keep your feet straight and raise the time according to your capability. Let's come to the backward bending asanas, basic to advanced asanas, not that much advanced, just a little bit. Backward bend first asana is Urdhva Sthatan. Stand straight, make a grip of a hand, go backward according to your strength, not more than 90 degrees, and hold it for the 3 seconds. Repeat this 5 to 6 times. Next is Uttanasana. Stand in your knees, go backward and touch your feet and see and hold it for the 10 seconds and repeat 4 to 5 times. Next is Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Lay down on your stomach, place your palms under your shoulder, lift your upper body and go backward as much as you can. Repeat 8 to 10 times and hold 10 seconds each. Second last is Dhanurasana, Bow Pose. Lay down on your stomach, fold your legs, hold them from the ankles, stretch upward maximum, repeat 5 times and hold according to your stamina. The last is Chakrasana. Lay down straight, hold your knees in hand, push your back and head upward. Try to do your knees straight. This would be more beneficial for the good bending. Repeat same 5 to 6 times. Let's come to the core strength and basic exercise of handstand too. First is Nokasana, boat pose. Lay down at your back and lift your hands and legs at 90 degree in the shape of boat. Hold same for 30-40 seconds. The next is Pavan Muktasana. Lay down at your back and fold your knees and grip your hand. Stretch your toes, then touch your chin at your knees. Hold for 30 seconds. Now this is the holding section for the core strength. You have to hold 30 degree for that 8 to 10 seconds. Then shift to 60 degree, again 8 to 10 seconds. And then shift to 90 degree, again for the 8 to 10 seconds. Then come back easily and raise your time with your practice. So the next step is come in a Halasana and lift your legs upward on shoulders and take a support with your palms. Hold it for the 15 seconds. Come back easily and after this don't forget to do movement of your neck. Last is shoulder plank. Come in a position and hold it for the 45 to 1 minute regularly. After the holding, come easily back in a Makrasana. The next topic is leg balancing, the most important topic according to me. Start with the Tadasana. Stand straight, make a grip of your hands, come to the tips of your feet and make sure you're doing focus on a point. Hold this for the 15 to 20 seconds and repeat it. Next is Vrikshasana. Stand straight, put your one feet under your another thigh and make a Pratnavastha. Repeat this from the another side and hold it for 15 seconds each. Focus is the most important key in this. The next is warrior pose. Make a side twist, bend your front leg, make a Prathanavasta and hold it for some times. And come back to the normal position. Warrior pose 2, same position as a warrior pose 1. Just open your hands like a wings and hold it for the 30 seconds. Warrior pose 3, stand straight, stretch your hands upward, lift your one leg at 90 degree and lean your body forward. Next, for the standing balances, fold your leg to the chest, hold it for the 20 seconds, mainly do focus on a particular point and repeat this from the another side same. Now is Natarajasana. Make a focus, hold your leg with the same side of hand, repeat from the another side. So come to the last topic is twisting. So let's start with the basic spinal twisting warm-up. So sit in easy and twist yourself from the both sides as much as you can. First, Vakrasana. So sit in a Dandasana, fold your leg, place your hand near to that and twist your body backside. Hold it for the 15 to 20 seconds and then repeat from the another side. The next is Kati Chakrasana. Raise your hand front, twist your body one side and hold it and repeat from the another side. Same. Next is Trikonasana. Stand straight, open your legs apart, open your hands and go to the right side and hold it for the 15 seconds. Then change from another side and again hold it for the 15 seconds. The very last asana is Ardhamastendrah. Fold your both legs, hold your left foot with the right hand and twist your spinal backside. And again same with the another side and hold it for the 10 seconds from the each side. So that is for today, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.